Hello everyone, welcome back to the Login channel. Today I will be showing you how you can create a group on Telegram. Now first of all, open the Telegram application. Once you open your app, you need to tap on the pen icon at the bottom of right side. Tap on it. There you tap on new group. Now you need to choose a number from which you want to create an account for. So I'm just gonna tap on few numbers over here. Tap. Once you have chosen your number, you tap on the next arrow and you need to provide your group name. Now that you have typed in or you have given a name for your group, you click on the tick mark. And you can see with just few tap on your mobile device, you have successfully created a group chat in the Telegram. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned how you can create a group in Telegram. Please like and subscribe the Login channel and do click on the bell icon for the updates on videos. Thank you.